Alright folks, today, I'm diving into the absolute truth about TikTok's viral products. Yes, again. We're going all in, brutally honest, no holds barred. Let's get started. First up, we've got the LED strip lights. You know the ones, lighting up every teenager's room across the globe. Honestly, they're not just for aesthetics. They actually make a room feel cooler. Plus, setting them up is a breeze. I'm giving them a solid 8 out of 10. Not perfect, but definitely worth the hype. Next, the infamous air fryer. TikTok's been raving about it like it's the second coming. Here's the deal. It's good, but it's not magic. It crisps up your food, sure, but it kinda dries things out if you're not careful. Still, for quick, healthier meals, it's a game changer. I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. Worth buying, but manage your expectations. Now let's talk about the ring light, the holy grail of TikTokers. Does it make your videos look better? Absolutely. Is it an absolute must-have? Not really, you can get away with natural light or a cheaper alternative, but if you're serious about content creation, it's a good investment. I'm going 9 out of 10 here, it's a win. On to the cloud wall decor, you've seen it. Those fluffy, glowing clouds that make your room look straight out of a dream. They look stunning, but they're a pain to install and can be pricey. Plus, they collect dust like crazy. So I'm giving this one a 6 out of 10. Gorgeous, but high maintenance. Up next, the famous Jade Roller. People swear by it for their skincare routine. Here's the truth, it feels nice and can reduce puffiness temporarily, but it's not a miracle worker. It's more about the experience than dramatic results. I'm giving it a 5 out of 10. Nice to have, but don't expect too much. Let's not forget the viral leggings. You know, the ones that claim to give you that perfect peach. They're comfortable, sure, and they do shape you up a bit, but they're not magic. If you're expecting a transformation, you might be disappointed. Still, they're pretty comfy. I'll give them a 7 out of 10. Worth a try. Lastly, the reusable makeup remover pads. A lot of buzz on these, and honestly, they live up to the hype. They're effective, eco-friendly, and save you money in the long run. I'm giving these a 9 out of 10. Definitely worth switching to. So, there you have it. My brutally honest take on TikTok's viral products. Agree? Disagree? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time with more no-nonsense reviews. Peace out.